Hey, what's up guys, it's Theyo from PhenoConcepts. So if you've been following me on Instagram, you may have realized this post right here I took of Francisca. Well, today she joined me for another photo shoot, and this time around she also came with a friend and we had a photo shoot session. So in this video, I'm going to bring you on board on how I took all these images. This is among the toughest photo shoots I've ever done because we had harsh sunlight and they had to go, so we were far behind time. They aren't actually models, so posing them was a lot difficult than I expected. So apart from all the weather conditions and the posing effect, it was quite tough for me. But either way, we were able to get some amazing pictures, so I'll be showing you in this video. Also, if you want to see the final images, they are going to be on my website, so I have it linked below. You can feel free to check it out. Anyway, let's start with today's photo shoot.
Yeah, test shot. Yana my higher bright na highest.
Can you feel it wrapped around your soul with no control? You can't breathe when.
So now recording.
Yep. Muye bibi anke ne se moya na. Muye sure.
Obi am from me. Also na me born you.
I am gas and fire.
Yeah.
Ready. I don't much one to now. Oh.
Sorry, you were sent for me.
Yeah, me take you has it up. The mama Nandi for now. What's that? Fashion ha? Oh, I say, what's that? What is it? What's that? Fashion ha? As a man now, okay, now fashion ha. Now they say ha. Now something. What's it?
I say.
On your son about all now. Oh, stop moving. Stop moving.
Hey,
Mount Sunday. Yeah. Mount, I think, okay, Francisca Ellen. Pasha ha. Hey, Pasha Ellen, baby. This is perfect. Pasha me what has it. And bounce him too much, or else I'll not see it. And she will eat too much. And don't raise up your head too much or turn too much. Keep eye contact. The mouth, and that's how we there so console. Professor Peter Gordon. Like that. Nice one. Okay. Jan Sana. Oh. One Sunday. Is it we have trouble posing? Why photo shoot that? That's right. Major phone in my pictures and phone poses now model man. As I say, she finished the fastest. Don't train a fast
Hey, Jinako.
Say, yeah, cool. This is aha. I ain't changing too much.
Perfect. Okay.
You can also try this. You turn around and just face me.
What was it?
Firstly, stand this way like that. Put your down.
What's the one about you know?
Like that.
When I do
Oh, mouth close with your mouth.
mouth closed. I want to rub
Like that. Cool. Mount Sanumbra. Sana, we are now. This one. Nice one. I like the stuff. Major. Oh, I said, you gave me some nice one. Should I Genevieve, mommy? Don't go to our side. Alright, now pose for me. Start is here. So, okay, fashion. No, I say, engineer will say, she bought them. Okay, if you can't do that, just put one leg in front. Then put your hand on it. One hand on it, like that. And boom, I'm just standing like this, like that. Raise it. Muscle. Oh. No. Yeah, so. You think of something very bad. Don't go to set. Catch up. Look at picture. Yeah, you are like. Is that how you smile? Fashion wise, how are you? Don't worry. Fashion kata. I'll prefer you raise this hand instead, rather than like that. Maybe when you are two, you can think of something. Grab them. Ready? Me chow. And that's how we need to both have to face. The poses are not coming out. Well, the workers say, yeah, it's still very nice. Okay, this is okay. It's okay. Ready? Monster tatama. Me the yaba sen ka please. And I don't know. That's a distance. Fataha, it's right, this is Fataha. What's that Fataha now? Actually, I always got. How does it see on your The same star. The same star.
Anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you have any thoughts on videos I should be making in the future, let me know in the comments below, and also let me know how my setting and sound, anything about this video you found problematic, you just let me know in the comments below. Also, if you just want to share ideas, just comment below. I will again state that I have all the images listed in my website down below, so be sure to click it and check it out. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and other channels which I have them linked below, and as always, don't forget to share with your family and friends. This is Theo from PhenoConcepts, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.
Guy, you do so. Train the banner.
Yeah. Train far.
Train the bar.
Train far. Anyway, when
Train the bar. Mumbra, I ain't know.
I'm famous. Yeah, now leave me a famous. So this is the train. I'm just